Have you ever wondered why an ESP32, a Raspberry Pi and your smartphone? They all have processors, but have you ever wondered why they work so differently? That is because they don't use the same type of processor. They use a microcontroller, a microprocessor and a system on chip. Let us understand the difference. Let us start with microcontroller or MCU. An MCU is a complete computer on a single chip. It contains a CPU, RAM, flash memory and peripherals all inside the same chip because everything is already built in. An MCU does not need external memory to start running your program. That's why MCUs are perfect for embedded systems like washing machine, robot, smart sensors and automotive electronics. But what if we remove the RAM, flash memory and peripherals from the microcontroller, leaving only the CPU? That is called a microprocessor or MPU. Unlike an MPU mainly contains only the CPU. To work properly, it requires external RAM, external storage and other supporting hardware. This architecture allows MPUs to run operating systems like Linux, making them ideal for devices such as Raspberry Pi and industrial embedded computers. Now imagine taking an MPU and integrating even more powerful hardware like a GPU, AI engine, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and display controller onto a single chip. That is called a system on chip or SoC, making it ideal for a smartphone, tablet, AI devices and multimedia applications.